This video is for anybody who's trying to reinstall the 2021 F-150 door handles. So you will be pulling out this little cover. Here's the set screw. Now in here, you'll see that white part and that silver part. Engage position, it's obviously under tension. You will turn the ratchet and it will engage the latch and lock it. So once, what you want is you want to engage the silver part, and the white part will keep it in the spot. So which will create a little bit of a window right here for the latch to slide in. You take your handle, you're going to slide it in, you're going to put pressure. Once that's engaged, you'll back out the screw. And it'll accept it. Okay. So all I did is I turned the screw until the white part pushes on the latch. Now you're gonna want a hook. Where are you? You're gonna want a hook to hold that in place. Again, you're gonna want this little channel right here, and you'll see right now. So we're gonna go ahead and install. You're simply gonna put pressure on the handle. Pressure. And accept it. Keep tightening. Once it's tight,